Alright everybody, this is an overview of the warehouse. This is where all the items were stored. And as you can see, this is just a disaster. Unfortunately, everything went up in flames and there's nothing able to be salvaged. No items, no ornaments, no Christmas trees, nothing. Unfortunately, this is a sad loss for the owner. He had items on top of there, all around this side. Come back over here, on top of this as well, just stacked up. And just look at this. An electrical wire fault started the whole thing. Leads all the way to that back room over there. That's the showroom.